this is that intrusion. Spending like we got them ends, this is that conclusion. You should bring your friend again, I find that shit amusing. Take a shot, you see it, now you don't, that's the illusion. Yeah, I'm packing clubs, best believe I'm on my caddy flow. I guess that it's apparent, even your mom and your daddy know that I put on that dope show. Show them just what man's about, and they rooting for the kid, that's because I'm branching out. Gotta keep it moving, sorry baby, I don't like to wait. I'm hungry and I'm driven, can you please get me your license plate? Girl be feeling it, they killing it, I see them dead chicks. Got that money, they stick to you, yeah I guess that breadsticks. Nigga got a vision, I don't think you see it well. Over when the fat lady sings, do you see it well? I am young and I am reckless, plus I'm hung just like a necklace. Go against me and you screw, so Texas.
I can do this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Give and take.
Since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake.
Life is not what it seems, just a kid, what a dream. I'ma do it till the day that I die. Pour the bottles up, cause we don't give a fuck. Get a drink and throw it in the sky. You can be mad, but it's fuck with your head, cause I'm coming and I'm taking your spot. Never gon' quit, middle fingers what they get. Let them know I give it all that I got. I got them quoting verses, got them saying my God. Book them shows, the only gigs you got is on your iPod. You are off the mat and you talking about your swag. Only label that's behind you is a motherfucking tag. And I've been grinding steady, so when the timing is ready, don't bring them funny verses, I ain't talking about Mazzetti. I'm reaching for the throne, cause I know that you can't stand me. And a nigga never idle, and you looking like Randy. Plan B, nah, this my chance to be in the record books. They say what comes around goes around, tell me how this record looks. Cause once it gets 180, that's the day they gonna pay me. Cause I've been paying these dues and it's been driving me crazy. So let's just make a toast, and let's just get a buzz. Saying hi to what will be, saying bye to what we was. And if I'm gonna make it, we'll see. But I can guarantee that you should focus on me. I'm a new